안녕하세요. Today we're going to learn how the pronunciation of the Korean double vowel 의 changes according to its position in the word. What this means is the same vowel 의 can be pronounced differently in words like these. 의사, 희망, 우리의. Did you hear the three different sounds? 의, 이, 에. Now let's find out when the sound for this double vowel changes. So rule number one, when the double vowel 의 is at the beginning of a word, it's always pronounced as 의 and nothing else. 의자, 의사. Now this may be confusing even for the Koreans as well because sometimes people tend to pronounce these words wrong and it's easier and more convenient to say 의자 or 의사 when we actually say these words in our speech. But by the rule, 의자 is wrong and 의자 is correct. 의사 is wrong and 의사 is correct. So 의 is pronounced as it is when it comes in the first syllable of a word. Rule number two, when 의 is not the first syllable of a word, you can pronounce it in two different ways. 주의 can be pronounced as 주의 or 주의, and 협의 can be 협의 or 협의. So when 의 is not the first syllable of a word, both 의 and e sounds are acceptable. Now rule number three, when the double vowel 의 syllable has an initial consonant, the sound changes from 의 to e. So instead of 희망, we say 희망. And instead of 문의, we say 문의. And by this rule, it is wrong to pronounce the double vowel sound, 의. And rule number four, when 의 is used as a possessive particle, it's usually pronounced as 에. 우리의 집, 나의 책. 우리의 집, 나의 책.
의견, 의견. 회의, 회의. 나의 의장, 나의 의장. 의미, 의미. 저 의사는 사람들의 희망이다. 설명을 주의 깊게 들었다. 나비가 예쁜 무늬를 가졌다. 나무에 잎이 떨어졌다.